Selleys Spakfilla Wall Repair Kit is a new, easy-to-use kit with everything you need to repair cracks and holes up to 8 centimetres wide. Filling a hole with Selleys Spakfilla Wall Repair Kit is easy. Here's how you do it. Firstly, remove any loose plaster from around the hole you want to fill. Then sand the surrounding area with the sanding block. Ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free from any loose material. Then, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the area. Now it's time to apply the patch. Cut the patch if needed, so it's not too big. Position the patch over the hole. Make sure there's an overlap of at least 3 centimetres between the edge of the hole and the edge of the patch. Remove the backing, put the patch over the hole and press down firmly on the edges. Use the spatula provided to cover the patch with a generous amount of filler. Make sure the filler is thick enough that you can't see the patch or the wall underneath. If you can see the mesh, apply more filler. Extend the filler at least 3 centimetres outside the patch and smooth it off. Leave the filler to dry properly. This takes at least 30 minutes for a 2 to 3 mm application, and longer if it's thicker. Remember, drying will take longer if it's cold or humid. When the filler is dry all over, it's ready to sand. Use the sanding block to give a smooth finish all over. If you sand back too far and can see the mesh, repeat the process with fresh filler so the mesh is covered again. Wipe away the dust and powder with a dry cloth. Then, cover with 2 coats of paint. For more information, visit selleys.com.au.